T RING spring. N AME name, student name is equal to shift double quote ARINDAM Arindam space verb GHOSH Ghosh semicolon enter. int student student ROLL roll is equal to one 11 semicolon enter. int STUDENT student A GEH is equal to seven semicolon enter. int STUDENT student G R ADE grade is equal to single quote caps lock C semicolon enter. SYSTEM system SYS TEM system dot OUT out dot PRINT print LN println bracket S T U D E N T student S T U D E N T student student name. Semicolon. Enter. SYSTEN system dot OUT out dot PRINT print LN println shift bracket catalog S STUDEN student ROLL roll plus STUDENT student ROLL roll semicolon. Enter. Catalog S catalog Y S TEM system dot OUT out dot PRINT print LN println bracket S STUDENT student A G age plus STUDENT student GEH semicolon S Y S TEM system dot OUT out dot PRINT print LN println Seat bracket. Seat semicolon. student, student. G ADE, grade. STDEN, the student. GRADE, grade. Semicolon. In the third sentence, IND that is not available. That is CHR because there is one letter. It is correct now. We are running again. So the answer is student name Arindam Ghosh, student roll number 11, student age 7, student grade C. Thank you. Complete.